Good evening, everyone. Today, what I'm uploading is maternity gowns sold with ANKARA, different maternity gown styles, clothes you can put on when you are pregnant. Please do well to stay somewhere and watch different styles that you can sew. Welcome back to my great channel. I'm happy to be here today. It's been a while on this great channel. It is due to some factors around me. To my new subscribers, I welcome you to this lovely channel. And to my subscribers, I want to say thank you to you for always coming to this channel. Thanks for the love being showered on me. I'm grateful. So today, what I'm showing you is maternity gown styles, maternity wears. Are you pregnant and you are looking for styles to put on? You can do well to do it to check. We have different styles. So these styles can be, you can sew them with Ankara. Most of the gowns here, they don't need lining. It's just only your material that you will use to sew them. And for some of it, you can use 2 yards. If you have Ankara, you can use 2 yards of the clothes, of your material. If it is normal material also, you can go for 2 yards. And I think the maximum you can use is 3 yards. If it is for 3/4 gown, 3 yards. And it's going to come out nice and beautiful on you. Some of it are straight gown. It's not fitted straight gown, but they are straight gown. Some are A-line gown. Some are in flay. Yeah, some are in flay. Some are in gathers. Some are in pleatings. But they're actually nice. And your fashion designer might come out to add other little styles to make it more beautiful and more attractive. So thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please make sure you do so, and also send the link to others so come and watch and look for the beautiful styles that they can. So thank you so much. I'm grateful. Thank you. Till we meet again in my next upload. Bye.